Hi, my name is Archana and I'm the co-founder of Poultrymon. So at Poultrymon, we are providing smart solutions to poultry farms. Basically, we are making poultry sector smarter using technologies like IoT and AI. So the poultry sector lacks technology innovation in terms of visibility and connectivity. Hence, there are a lot of production inefficiencies. So we are solving these problems using our technology innovation in Poultrymon. So where we are connecting mesh of networks and sensors to bring in entire process visibility into the hatchery process or the farming process. So how we are doing it is we deploy our sensors and then we collect the data and inform the operator in time so that he can in real time so that he can take intervention and resolve the issue. So hence avoiding the damages and also for the management to take timely decisions which is data driven. So till now the data that is available is very discontent and also in silos. So there is no proper information across the poultry value chain. So we have connected 5 verticals in poultry and spread across 5 states in India and impacted more than 1.8 crore chicks with our technology, increasing farmers' income and also strengthening him for future challenges based on the demand that is going to drive the poultry sector.
We are from the software industry with 25 years of experience, and this technology we started with the intention to digitize the poultry industry, which will help in improving the efficiency of both hatchery farms and in every different sectors of the poultry industry, which improves efficiency as well as prevents any kind of damages, and the quality also it improves. So, and this technology is in par with the international standards like Europe and other countries.
The purpose of this smart weighing machine or the device from Poultrymon is to have the traceability of the weighing machine data remotely in the mobile or traceability whenever you want to have a look at the data. Everyone, the purpose of this smart weighing machine or device from Poultrymon is to have the traceability of the weighing machine data remotely in the mobile or traceability whenever you want to have a look at the data. Okay, on a real-time basis. So, for example, let's start with the practical functionality, where these are the different birds weighing, and this is the second one, and we see the data of the weight of the birds, which can be recorded in the IoT device that we have. Can you press on that? Yeah. Now you see the weight as same weight whatever is reflecting here in this device. Okay. The same thing will be reflected in our mobile app immediately in the history data and everything. So this is a function. Thank you.